Hello everyone, welcome back again. Season is changing. So today we are going to prepare an easy cutlet using tapioca. It's really very tasty and the vegetarians must try this recipe. You will love it. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. First, let's peel off the skin of this tapioca. Here I am taking half a kg of tapioca. Now let's wash this and cook it in a pressure cooker for 1 to 2 whistles. Now add enough salt into it. I am adding 1 potato to this. You can prepare without potato, but adding potato will give a tremendous taste to our cutlet. After cooking, mash the potato and tapioca by using masher or with your hands. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. I am using sunflower oil. You can also prepare by using coconut oil. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now let's add 1 finely chopped onion. Now saute it well. Saute it till it changes its color. Now let's add salt into it. Adding salt will cook the onions fast. Now saute it well. Once the onions slightly changes its color, let's add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into it. Now saute it well till the raw flavor goes. Once the raw flavor disappears, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, saute well, and add 1 teaspoon of chili powder into it. You can increase the chili powder if you like more spicy. Now goes in half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now saute well till the raw flavor goes. It's very important to saute well, or else while heating the cutlets we will feel the raw flavors. Now goes in few chopped curry leaves and 1 finely chopped green chilli. You can skip the green chilli as it is not spicy. I am using the green chilli. Now it's finely sauteed. Let's add the mashed potato and the tapioca and mix thoroughly. Balance the sourness by adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it, and finally add in few chopped coriander leaves into it. Now mix well, combine well. Now the mix is ready to prepare the cutlet. Now to dip the cutlets, we need to take 1 egg for this. Beat it well by adding enough salt into it. For the vegetarians, you can make the batter by using the maida and water, or else you can also make the batter by using the atta flour. Now for coating, I am taking 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Here I am using the ready-made breadcrumbs. Now wet your palm slightly and take the size of the ball you need and flatten it lightly. Here I am making the circle shape. You can make them in any shape of your choice. Now it's done. Let's dip them in the egg batter, then roll it in the breadcrumbs and coat well both the sides. Try to use the spoon to dip the cutlet. When we use the same hand to dip and coat, the breadcrumbs will get spoiled. Now it's ready to fry. Let's shallow fry this. You can also deep fry this cutlets. Now heat the pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into it. Let's shallow fry this. Keep the flame in a medium to high. When we fry this in a low flame, the cutlets will break or it will get the cracks. After 1 minute, let's flip it to other side. Already the masalas were cooked well, so it won't take more time to cook. Just 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Once it's turned to golden in color, let's take it out. Now it's done. Get it out and spread it on the tissue paper. Now continue the same method with the rest of the cutlets. So that's it friends, today's tapioca recipe. Hope you enjoy this video. Do try it at home and do put your comments below. If you enjoy this video, then like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notification. See you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.